Again, this is MS Word, and you can see that the two lines, hello, how are you? And you can see if I want to create a line spacing between these two hello and how are you. If I want to create the line spacing to 3, then you can see that I press this alt key, and in my keyboard there you can see this is the alt key, and this is the H key. So if you press the alt key and H key, window like this appear here, and after that I am going to simply press the K key. So if I press the K, then you can see here the options comes, and from here you can choose 3. So if you click 3 here, then you can see that the line spacing between these change to 3. So remember, the shortcut for doing this is first you must press this alt key and H key at the same time, and after that you can simply press this K key, and you can create get this line spacing option section, and from there you choose the 3 of this video. See for more videos, subscribe. Thank you.